Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the top spin trainer which I made for myself inside my garage. So you're looking at it, it's made all with wood, and also what you see here, it was a paint brush. So I just took out the brush on top and then cut a ball and put it inside it, so that I need this roller and then I need the handle, it like smoothly. If you have seen the Top Spin Pro, it's some kind of like this, but it's fancy. The reason I decided to do this was like it's so expensive. It's like almost $200, so it doesn't look that sophisticated. And I just figured, I said to myself, why don't I just do it? And then here we go. I did it. All I need was like few boxes of woods. You could have done this like with $5 or $6 worth of woods, and this is all brush, and then just one ball. It works like a charm. It really trains you. If you are planning to train yourself at top spin, then this is a really nice thing. Let me show you how I do it with my racket. There you go. You just come here. You don't take those two things. You have to push and brush like this. If you are not touching this or any of these rackets, and then this is spinning and going forward fast, that means you're doing very well. That's it. Well, good luck doing that.